Make a U-turn in 1,000 feet. Slight left. Take the next left. Sharp left. Turn right on. Continue on in a quarter mile. At the light in 600 feet. Turn right on. You have reached your destination.
Doesn't know him, this is Stan Heath, and I'm buying a transmission from him. You did a Rivergate conversion for me?
Yes.
Okay,
Correct.
Would you mind showing us?
No.
Okay, so as you can see, Stan lives in Shangri-La as far as I'm concerned, and the drive from Maryland to here was pretty easy. I bought the transmission from Stan. You sent it off to, would you send it off to, Stan?
Cotman Transmission in South Carolina rebuilt the transmission.
Okay, so the transmission is rebuilt. It's got a, there's the slave cylinder, looks like. And I'm guessing that's the clutch pressure plate. There's the engine plate, clutch alignment tool, and a bunch of other stuff. I'm narrating for you, Stan, I'm sorry. You can tell me what you're opening up here.
This should be the fly wheel.
Alright, so there's a flywheel.
And this is the modified pressure plate.
Okay.
The center section's been removed
Okay.
for the datsun release bearing.
So this was originally a Datsun 280? 280Z?
280Z, yeah.
Okay, transmission. And this is what they commonly call the Rivergate conversion?
Yes. So as you can see, the clutch release bearing and the fork's already been installed.
Okay.
So we run this conversion in 2 MGB race cars, and the transmission is pretty much bulletproof.
I've heard that. It's 5-speed, yeah?
Yeah, 5-speed.
Okay, so I've got the flywheel, the pressure plate, clutch slave cylinder, and I also got a couple of other things from you. There's the engine plate. HS6s?
Yes. Extra needles, gaskets, intake, carburetors, heat shields, leakage.
Whole 9 yards. And are either of these 2 long boxes mine as well?
This is your drive shaft.
Can I get a look at that?
Yeah.
There we go. This is also brand new from the guys in Carolina. Looks like it's been balanced.
Mm-hmm.
These are balancing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice. Okay. Looks good to me. And so for everything that I've got here, to include the HS6 carbs, the transmission, pressure plate, engine plate, etc., I've got you at $2,026. Is that it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. That's everything.
Alrighty. Did you want to give a quick tour of your stuff here, or you?
Oh, sure.
Okay. So Stan does more than just transmissions. You also do engines, correct?
Yes.
And you've got a race car.
Yeah, I've got the
It's over there.
65 MGB, and then there's a 59 MGA in the other garage.
Yeah. So for anybody who follows my stuff, I bought body tub and fenders from you for the MGA trailer project that I did. and a couple of other bits and pieces and so forth. And Stan's been a good source for other things I've needed. So I usually hit him up first. And so you do. Okay, you've got some fiberglass bits up there.
Yeah, those are new fenders for this race car.
For the MGB, yeah. I was looking at buying a fender set from you as well, but I went another route.
Right. Yeah, this MGB is an old SCCA national car, and it's been to the runoffs 5 times.
Wow.
I have 3 SCCA logbooks that came with it when I bought it.
What kind of horsepower are you looking at in this thing?
I don't have a clue.
How about 0 to 60 time? Not even that? All right.
On a road racing car, we don't worry about it.
So what other things do you offer? Obviously transmission stuff, engine stuff I've talked to you about before.
Right.
And restoration services?
No, not really.
No, just mainly engine, transmission?
Yeah, mechanical stuff.
Okay.
I usually pay somebody else to do the body work and
Yeah.
restoration kind of things.
I pay people to do the engine and transmission.
Yeah.
Do the body work myself.
Yeah.
My preference, yeah.
I need to send you this car then. Let you work on it.
Okay, so for anybody who is looking for an engine or a transmission, Stan, do you want to give out your phone number?
Yeah, it's 865-599-7223.
Okay, and
which
what
is RACE, R-A-C-E. So
okay.
Remember it.
And what about your email address, Stan?
Heath Racing at gmail.com.
Okay, and I'll put that in the description and some other stuff in the video I make too.
Sure. I've got plenty of MGB 3 and 5 main blocks and cranks. So
Good to know.
anybody needs those.
I'll be doing an MGB engine through Dick Moritz.
Right. Yeah, I talked to Dick when we talked about the carburetors and the transmission.
Yeah, yeah. Alrighty. Well, over there is my my navigator. And all right. Well, I guess I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to take a couple of quick pictures and then get back. I'm going to pay you first and then get back on the road. Oh, and home. So from the DC area to Tennessee, Stan's spot, about a 9-hour drive. Really nice. Here it is in all its glory. Datsun 280Z engine transmission. I'm thinking this is the backup sensor, backup light. I don't know. I have to look at it. I've got the directions that go with it. HS6 carburetor. Stopped off at the paint store for more clear coat for this old girl. Drive shaft and clutch plate, pressure plate. So, Dick, if you're watching, I'll be seeing you soon with this stuff. Well, you don't see this every day. Come on, focus. Starlings? I'm going to go in there, intervene in a sec.